Have you ever found yourself in a tight spot financially, needing cash before your next paycheck? Maybe you had an unexpected expense, or you just wanted to treat yourself a little early. If so, you've probably heard of Beforepay, the app that lets you get paid early. But have you ever wondered if Beforepay is actually owned by Cash App? Well, that's exactly what we're going to dive into today. We'll explore the connection between these two popular financial apps and clear up any confusion surrounding their ownership. Beforepay has gained significant popularity in recent years, offering a convenient solution for those who need quick access to their earned income. It's a tempting proposition: get paid a portion of your paycheck ahead of schedule and cover those immediate needs. But with its growing popularity, questions about its relationship with other financial services, like Cash App, have naturally arisen. Cash App, on the other hand, is a well-established mobile payment service with a wide range of features, including peer-to-peer payments, stock and Bitcoin trading, and even a debit card. It's a versatile platform that many people use for their everyday financial transactions. So, let's get to the heart of the matter: is Beforepay owned by Cash App? The short answer is no. Beforepay is an independent company. While both apps operate in the fintech space and offer services related to accessing your income, they are separate entities. However, there are some connections between the two. Similar user base, both Beforepay and Cash App cater to a similar demographic, primarily young adults and millennials who are looking for convenient and accessible financial solutions. Complementary services: while Beforepay focuses on early wage access, Cash App offers a broader range of financial services. This means that users can potentially utilize both platforms to manage different aspects of their finances. Potential for collaboration: given their shared user base and complementary services, there's always the possibility of future collaborations between Beforepay and Cash App. This could involve integrations that allow for smoother transactions or the development of new features that leverage the strengths of both platforms. Let's take a closer look at the benefits of each app individually. Beforepay. Quick access to earned income. The primary advantage of Beforepay is its ability to provide you with a portion of your paycheck early, often within minutes of your request. Flexibility: you can typically choose the amount you want to access, giving you control over your cash flow. Convenience: the entire process is usually conducted through a user-friendly mobile app, making it easy to use on the go. Cash App. Versatility: Cash App offers a wide range of features beyond peer-to-peer payments, including stock and Bitcoin trading, direct deposit, and a debit card. User-friendly interface: the app is known for its intuitive design and ease of use. Growing ecosystem: Cash App is constantly expanding its features and services, providing users with access to a growing range of financial tools. While Beforepay and Cash App may share some similarities and potentially collaborate in the future, they are distinct entities with their own unique offerings. Beforepay provides a valuable service by allowing users to access their earned income early, while Cash App offers a comprehensive suite of financial services. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.